First, take a look at this channel. It has only uploaded a few videos, but it already has 166,000 subscribers. This channel uploads videos showing how houses are built and similar types of content. You can also create the same type of videos and start your own YouTube channel and make content for Facebook and Instagram, just like I do. You only need to copy and paste the prompt, and videos like this will start being created automatically, showing people building houses, how homes are constructed, and similar ideas. These kinds of videos can go viral in just a few minutes. Yes, it's a very simple method. You can create videos like this in less than 2 minutes. I will also explain the complete course. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Now let's see how we can create these kinds of videos. I will give you a prompt in the YouTube comment section. You just need to copy and paste it. Here's what you need to do. Copy the prompt from the YouTube comment section. Save or download the prompt. Go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. After that, ChatGPT will give you 15 ideas. You just need to copy any one of those ideas and paste it here. After a short time, you will receive 5 to 6 prompts explaining how the video scenes or images should be created or anything else you want to make according to your choice. Once you get those prompts, the next step is to open Group.com or the AI video tool you are using. It is a very good and powerful resource for creating AI videos, where you can even create videos for free. You simply need to click on Imagine. After clicking on Imagine, you will need to select the size of the video. If you want to create YouTube Shorts or Reels, choose 9:16. If you want to create a YouTube long video, choose 16:9. After selecting the size, paste the prompt there. Within a few moments, you will see that the video generation has started and the video will be created very nicely. In the same way, you can copy all the prompts from ChatGPT one by one and paste them into the tool. After a short time, you will see that all the videos start generating automatically. As you can see, all the videos are created, and the best part is that you can do this completely for free. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next time, I will bring more new and useful content like this.